Nga pala, tara.
Tara, game na ako.
Ano kalimutan ko search yung GoPro?
Oh! Ano ba to?
Yan.
Ito.
Akaso V50X.
Yes.
Tara, try natin for mountain biking.
And good morning everyone, this is Jeremiah from J Drama Media. Together we learn, together we grow the social media life. And we are back on the road here at Bukit Timah T15 route. This is actually my very first route on my first mountain bike ride. I'll put the video on the description over here. And the reason why we're here is to make a product review of the Akaso V50X. Mainly this review is for mountain biking, so let's find out whether the Akaso V50X is worth it for mountain biking, especially for trail riders. So before we hit the road, let's get into the unboxing of the Akaso V50X. Okay, so the reason why I bought this, though I already have the GoPro 7 Hero Black, is for me to have more footage, more point of view to capture. And on top of that is the image stabilization, or EIS, electronic image stabilization of this this device. I watch videos on YouTube, in particular of a review, and I was convinced, I am convinced that the EIS of the Akaso V50X is reasonable but uncomparable to the GoPro lineup. Since we will be here all day, of course you want to have more footage, more juice to your device. So I will only be shooting 1080p 60 frames per second all throughout this video. And of course the image stabilization is on as well, and the gyro, well, I don't know what the purpose of the gyro is, but yeah, I turned it on as well. Whew. You want to see some monkeys? Oh, monkey. There's a monkey over there. Yeah, okay, so we'll be trying this Akaso V50X on flats and on rough road and uphill as well, and maybe I'll try to shoot some, you know, b-rolls or montage using this device. Okay, so back on the road, see you in a bit. Okay, so what do you think so far? The footage that you saw for about a minute was the footage taken while mounted on the bike's handlebars. So what do you think? Is the EIS or electronic image stabilization or stabilizer worth it for the Akaso V50X? Is it worth the money? I don't know yet. Let's find out after a few more rides. Sorry. Morning. And this is the audio quality test of the Akaso V50X. And in front of me is June. And this is with the casing, so I don't know if the casing has a factor on the audio quality of the microphone. Back on the road, let's go. Right. Okay, let's talk about battery life. I've been recording on and off for about an hour and a half, and the battery life, it only consumed 25%. I still have 75% more left juice to record. So yeah, I think the battery usage of the Akaso V50X is A-okay. So speaking of the battery, as you've seen in my unboxing video, this one includes 2 batteries and a charger. Compared to the GoPro, it only includes 1 battery and no charger. So yeah. Okay, so this is the vlog test of the Akaso V50X. What do you think? And this is the audio quality test as well. Alright, so this is the audio quality test of the Akaso V50X. I don't know if you can hear them singing in the background. So let me know what you think. Okay, so while we're taking a short break, let's do a color representation or color tech of the Akaso V50X versus the GoPro Hero 7 Black. GoPro is known to have a more accurate color than the other brands. As you can see, the sky on the GoPro Hero 7 Black is more accurate compared to the Akaso V50X, and same as the green. Look, it's more vibrant. But you know, if you have a little knowledge in color grading, you can actually edit the video on posts. So what about the image stabilization? So this is me walking. And this is me running. Casual run. Running back. Jump. Jump. Okay, so then again, I'm only shooting at 1080p 60 frames per second because I want to fully take advantage of the battery life and the memory as well. So yeah, let me know what you think. So is the Akaso V50X worth the purchase, or should you get the GoPro Hero 7 or the GoPro 8? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in a bit as we finish the BT trail. Okay, so we are here in the exit. So is the Akaso V50X a good alternative to a GoPro? So as you can see, I'm using my GoPro Hero 7 Black to record my A-roll shots, and this is the Akaso V50X. So for 120, is it a good alternative for a GoPro? If you are intending to use the Akaso V50X for mountain biking, which is the whole point of this video, I would suggest for you to buy or invest in a GoPro, because the image stabilization of the Akaso V50X is not that really reliable. There are parts where I'm riding in a smooth surface, but it would jerk sometimes, so the experience is not that great. But for 120 Singaporean dollars, I think you're getting what you paid for, you know. You can get this on Lazada for 120, and then again you'll get 2 batteries with the charger and a lot more accessories compared to what comes along with a GoPro. Alright, so thank you for watching. Then again, this is Jeremiah from J Drama Media. Together we learn, together we grow the social media life. And I'll see you guys next time on the road to a new adventure. Have a good one. Stay safe. Goodbye.